Dear friends, let's learn how to solve trigonometrical questions. Before you start, you must keep in mind that only learning the trigonometrical rules is not enough, but when to apply it and in which form to apply is the most important thing. So let's begin. So, certain trigonometrical identities or trigonometrical ratios. First equation, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Interchanging, you can write as sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square. C. Be careful regarding interchanging. See, formula is this way or equation is this way only. What? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But how it interchanges? Next, tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Next, sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or 1 upon sine theta is equal to cosec theta. It is nothing but reciprocal of sine is cosec and reciprocal of cos is cosec is sine. Now, sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similar to that, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. That means what? Reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, reciprocal of sec theta is cos theta. So, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Next, cot theta into tan theta. They are reciprocal of each other. So, is equal to 1. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, while cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Checked it out, the change. Yes, only interchange. And you get a new formula or new trigonometric ratio, you can see. Next, tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Next, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now see the interchange. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, or cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Similar to that, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, or sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now, we try to solve questions from your question bank. So, question 2b. Each question carries 2 marks. So, the first question, if cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25, then sin theta is equal to what? So, while solving these kind of sums, you must write down what is given. That is, cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25. Now, as I told you, we have the formula or equation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, keeping sin square theta as it is, we write down cos theta value, that is nothing but 24 upon 25 whole bracket square is equal to 1. So, sin square theta plus 24 square 576, 25 square 625, which is equal to 1. Now, interchanging, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 576 upon 625. Now, make the common denominator 625 into 1, that is 625, minus 576 upon 625. So 625 minus 576, it is 49 upon 625. Now this is the value sine square theta. So taking square root of both sides, we get sine theta is equal to 7 upon 25. Second question. Again prove that sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Here we have to prove, that's why LHS means left hand side. What is left hand side given? Sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Now cos theta into cos theta, that is nothing but equal to cos square theta. Why? Common denominator. But sine square theta plus cos square theta, it's an equation which is equal to 1. So 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta. We learn these things, that it is sec theta. So RHS, LHS is nothing but equal to RHS. So final answer, sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Third question. Again prove that 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Solution. LHS. What the LHS is given? 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta. Here we rationalize the denominator. Keep in mind, when you rationalize the denominator, you must change the sign. So 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta. See here how we change the sign. Now numerator as it is, that is cosec theta plus cot theta, but new denominator we have plus and minus. So here we can use a plus b into a minus b formula, that is equal to a square minus b square. So I write here cosec square theta minus cot square theta to the denominator. Now as we discuss that we can interchange the equation and we can get a new formula. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Therefore 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So again LHS become cosec theta plus cot theta upon 1, that is cosec theta plus cot theta. So LHS equal to RHS, that is 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Question number 4. Cos 45 degree plus x is equal to sine 30 degree. So find the value of x. Solution. What is given? Cos 45 degree plus x is equal to sine 30. Now as we learn the tables, we have what? Sine 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. The sine 30 degree is cos 60 degree. Why we use here? Because sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sine 30 is equal to cos 90 minus 30. It becomes cos 60. So the value of sine 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. So the value of cos 60 is also equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, cos 45 degree plus x is equal to cos 60 degree. Now, a simple equation, 45 degree plus x is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 60 minus 45. So, what the value of x? X is equal to 15 degree. Question number 5. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. See the value given, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Then what the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta? Now how to solve? Solution. We write down given equation, that is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Now squaring both sides. So in the bracket we can write tan theta plus cot theta whole bracket square is equal to 2 square. Now here majority of times we make mistake that tan theta plus cot theta square, we simply write down tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 4. Remember, it is a plus b whole bracket square. So what is a plus b whole bracket square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So tan square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta plus cot square theta is equal to 4. Now keep tan square theta as it is plus 2. What is tan theta into cot theta? They are reciprocal of each other. So it cancels and answer is 1. Plus cot square theta is equal to 4. So you form the equation tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to 4. Now tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. The answer becomes tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 2. Question number 6. Prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Now solution. LHS sec square theta plus cosec square theta. See, these are the reciprocal of sin theta and cos theta. So LHS is equal to sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta plus cosec square theta means 1 upon sin square theta. Again cross multiply. So you get sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta into sin square theta. We know the equation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we apply here. So you get 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. So this we can write as 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sin square theta. Again, as we discussed earlier, reciprocal of cos and sin. It is sec square theta into cosec square theta. So LHS is equal to RHS, that is sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. Question number 7. Again prove that cot square theta into sec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. Solution. What is given? LHS cot square theta into sec square theta. So cot square theta is cos square theta upon sin square theta, and sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta. So cos square theta gets cancelled. So it remains 1 upon sin square theta. Again the reciprocal of sin theta, you know that cosec theta. So 1 upon sin square theta is cosec square theta. Now the formula. as we discussed earlier, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So I substitute here 1 plus cot square theta. So it is RHS. Hence proved that cot square theta into sec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. Question number 8. If 3 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta, then find the value of sec theta. Solution: 3 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta. So what we write? Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 4 upon 3. Now here sin theta upon cos theta we know it is tan theta. So we find the value of tan theta, that is 4 upon 3. Now again the same equations. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus, instead of tan square theta we substitute a value, that is 4 upon 3 square equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus 16 upon 9 equal to sec square theta. Again common denominator, 9 plus 16 upon 9 equal to sec square theta. So sec square theta is equal to 25 upon 9. So taking square root, sec theta is equal to 5 upon 3. Question number 9. If sin 3a is equal to cos 6a, then what is the value of angle A? Solution: what is given? Sin 3a is equal to cos 6a. We write it down as equation 1. Now again the same thing, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, or cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Here we use sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So instead of theta I substitute sin 3a is nothing but equal to cos 90 minus, instead of theta it is 3a. So equation 1 becomes what? Cos 90 minus 3a. Instead of sin 3a I write cos 90 minus 3a, which is equal to cos 6a. So a simple equation, that is 90 degree minus 3a is equal to 6a. So 6a plus 3a is 90 degree. So 9a is equal to 90 degree. So a is equal to 90 upon 9, that is 10 degree. Now question number 10. Again prove that sec square theta minus cos square theta equal to tan square theta plus sin square theta. Solution: LHS, sec square theta minus cos square theta. Now again the equations, you know that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We just simply substitute the values of sec square theta and cos square theta. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta minus, always remember when minus sign comes you must substitute, put the bracket, otherwise while changing the sign you may get confused. So 1 plus tan square theta minus into bracket 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 and minus minus plus sin square theta. 1 gets cancelled and you get the answer tan square theta plus sin square theta. So LHS is RHS. So what is that? Sec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to tan square theta plus sin square theta. Question number 11. Again prove that tan A upon cot A is equal to sec square A upon cosec square A. Solution: LHS, tan A upon cot A. See how I am writing here, tan A divided by cot A. Why we write in this form, division form? Let's see. Tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A divided by cot A is cos A upon sin A. Now, as you know that division converts into multiplication, so reciprocal cos A upon sin A becomes sin A upon cos A. So, sin A upon cos A into sin A upon cos A. So, it is sin square A upon cos square A. Again, I write sin square A division cos square A. So, reciprocal of sin, reciprocal of cos. So, 1 upon cosec square A division 1 upon sec square A. Now, division converts into multiplication. So, you can write instead of 1 upon sec square A, you can write sec square A upon 1. So, you get sec square A upon cosec square A, which is RHS. So, tan A upon cot A is equal to sec square A upon cosec square A. Question number 12. Again, prove that sin theta plus tan theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta in bracket 1 plus sec theta. LHS sin theta plus tan theta upon cos theta. Now, you know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So, I write sin theta plus sin theta upon cos theta whole division or upon cos theta. Now, cross multiply sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta whole denominator cos theta. Now, as I shown you here, what 1 upon A upon B is equal to 1 upon A into B. So, cos theta upon cos theta, that is cos square theta. So, you can write sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta upon whole division cos square theta. Now, sin theta common. So, sin theta into bracket cos theta plus 1. Now, denominator is cos square theta. So, make the part or make the division of these things cos square theta, distribute it sin theta upon cos theta into cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Now, keep sin theta upon cos theta as it is, and again in the bracket cos theta, again what you call that, distribute that cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. As we know, sin theta upon cos theta equal to tan theta. Cos theta gets cancelled, so 1 plus 1 upon cos theta. Now, reciprocal tan theta in bracket 1 plus sec theta. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. So, what is the final answer? That is tan theta into bracket 1 plus sec theta. So, LHS equal to RHS. So, sin theta plus tan theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta 1 plus sec theta. Question number 13. Again, prove that cos square theta upon sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Now, cos square theta upon sin theta plus sin theta, it is LHS. Now, cross multiply cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta upon sin theta. Now, this is the equation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, 1 upon sin theta. So, 1 upon sin theta, again reciprocal of sin theta, that is cosec theta. So, 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So, RHS, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, cos square theta upon sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Question number 14, or you can say the last question of question 2b. Again, prove that cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So, LHS given as cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Again rationalize the denominator, cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta, and while rationalizing you must change the sign, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, you know that a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1 and sin theta square. So you get 1 minus sin square theta. As we know that cos 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So cos theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta upon cos square theta. 1 cos theta gets cancelled and you get the answer 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, that is RHS. So what's the final? Cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta.